Hi everyone, I'm Tristan. Welcome to today's lesson, and what we're going to do is look at a grammar structure that many students have a difficult time with. They don't even know it. And this is the structure have or has yet to plus verb. Now, let me give you some background. I'm a big fan of Eminem. However, in my life, I have never seen him live. So I've never seen him in a concert. Do you notice I said I have never seen him live, not I didn't see him live? Because if I say I didn't see him live, that means my life is over. So in my life, I have never seen him live. So I didn't see him in the past, and I don't see him now. However, I expect to see him in the future. So if I'm describing this, I could say I haven't been to an Eminem concert yet. The yet tells me that I expect to see him in the future. However, there is a second way to say this, and most learners don't know this. I could also say, I have yet to see Eminem live. Okay, so I have yet to see him. So if you say, I haven't verbed yet, you can also say, I have yet to verb. Let's give a second example. In my life, I haven't eaten Egyptian food yet. So I expect one day I will eat it, but I haven't eaten Egyptian food yet. So I could say, I have yet to eat Egyptian food. Simple. Let's look at another example. I called this girl and she said she would call me back, or maybe I met her at a club or a bar. Don't tell my wife. And she said she would call me back, but she hasn't called me back yet. Another way to say this, she has yet to call me back. It means the same thing. She has yet to call me back is just maybe a little more academic or sounds a little fancier. So let's look at two examples from the news. I just typed in has yet into Google News and I typed in a country. And the first one I did was Nigeria. And this is the heading that came up. 60 years post-independence, Nigeria has yet to reach its potential. So this is saying it hasn't reached its potential yet, but they expect it to happen in the future. When? We don't know. I also typed in my country. I typed in Canada and has yet to. And you can see the news heading here. The Canadian government has yet to announce stricter travel restrictions. So, in your life, what have you yet to do? I have yet to do many things. All right, so you can see this strange grammar structure. It's a common mistake. It causes confusion. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel, and help everyone fix these common mistakes. See you later. Bye.